Hi, welcome to the Triskell channel. Discover the ready-to-use Triskell NPD READY solution for new product development. Excel creates chaos in product development, outdated data, reporting issues, manual processes, slow decisions, and mismanaged resources. Switch to Triskell Ready for real-time visibility, unified workflows, and seamless project follow-up. With Triskell Ready, you can centralize your entire NPD process in one place. From idea generation through development to product launch, Triskell Ready provides a structured and flexible framework to drive innovation efficiently. No more scattered spreadsheets or disconnected tools. New product ideas are captured, evaluated, and prioritized effortlessly with Triskell Ready, ensuring only the best move forward. Once an idea is approved, you can seamlessly plan and track every phase of development, defining key milestones, setting deadlines, and monitoring progress in real time. Managing a portfolio of projects has never been easier with a clear, high-level view of status updates, strategic priorities, and ongoing initiatives. Resource management is also simplified. Triskell helps you allocate the right people to the right projects while balancing workloads and avoiding bottlenecks. The built-in stage gate workflow ensures that every decision point is structured, so projects move forward smoothly without delays. And when it comes to reporting and collaboration, everything is in one place. Teams can instantly share updates, generate reports, and align on key priorities in just a few clicks. Stop the Excel chaos and take control of your new product development process with Triskell NPD Ready. Optimize resources, streamline workflows, accelerate time to market, get complete oversight and control, and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Ready to transform your NPD process with Triskell NPD Ready? Visit our website to get started today or register for a personalized demo.